Hey Lucas, it's Miss Molly. I'm going to the Distance Learn class so I can show you how you can upload a video to an assignment. So let's imagine we go to the classwork. You want to upload a video to Science. Well, let's try this one. Oh, that's weird. View the assignment. Now, this says you have turned it in. I am going to unsubmit it to reverse everything. Okay. Here it says your work. Now, you noticed in this assignment there are no documents to insert anything. So if you need to upload something, you go here to your work, add or create. Now, if you're going to do a video, it depends on where you saved it. If you saved it in your Google Drive, you'll click there to find it. If it's a link, maybe it's a website, or you want me to try to see a YouTube video, you would put a link. This file is like things that are on your computer. So I'm going to click File. Select Files from your device. Okay, this is your computer. Downloads, Documents, Desktop. So this is a video of Miss Andrea. I'm going to click that and click Open. Oh no. Oh my God. Hey Lucas, I'm going to show you how to upload a video. Go to your Distance Learning for my class, classwork. Let's do Science. Yesterday's Science. View the assignment. Let's say you want to create a video. You see here it says add or create. Well, not create a video, you want to upload one. If it's in your Google Drive, you'll click there to go to your Google Drive. If it's a website, you'll click here. If it's a file, a video file that you saved on your computer, you'll click here. So let's click File. Select Files from your device. And it depends on where you've saved your video. Maybe it's on your desktop, maybe it's a document. I download a lot of videos, so I'm gonna click this video, open, and then down here in the bottom left corner it says upload. Upload. And videos take a little while if they're long, okay? And if you'll notice here, it's processing. When this is done processing, you can turn it in. Okay? All done.